All right, now YouTube, thanks for stopping by and joining me again today. Hope you enjoyed that bucking. This pile it's kind of dangerous. It's getting down to all kinds of random stuff. There's a little bit of junk in there. I pulled that wire out. If you can see right here, there's a wire running here to another piece over there, and this round right here had some wire in it too. I got lucky and missed that one. Piece of junk in it, but I'll run that through the log splitter and it'll be okay. And one of those pieces may still have a piece of wire in it, but whatever, I'll throw that in my fire pit or garbage or whatever. Anyways, this pile's got a lot of wood and I'm just trying to get through it as safely as I can. I'm using my chain brake, like I said, trying not to fall. I need to bring some better shoes. Like I said, the soles are falling off the bottom of my shoes, so it's kind of trippy with those shoes on. I don't know what their plans are to get rid of all this junk. I mean, some of this wood is not the greatest wood. That maple right there is all eaten up. But I mean, like some of that wood, it looks like it's good wood, but it's just real punky. There's mud all over that ash log. That's a good ash log, but again, it's just got a big mud patch on it there. I might try to get through that with my 180 today. Well, I got that bad chain on it, but it's hardly cutting worth a darn anyways. So I'm just trying to work around and take whatever it'll give me right now. It looks like a little bit of a mess. And like I said, I feel bad. I don't want to make a mess. I would rake this pile up and clean it all up if it ever gets down here, and rake it into a pile and throw it away. It wouldn't take but 30 minutes. It's not really a big deal though right now. This is just kind of a wood area, so we'll see. I just feel bad. I don't want to leave a mess at the tree surface. I want to be respectful, you know what I mean? So I'm trying to do the best I can to keep it clean, but it's kind of unavoidable with sawdust and bark off of the wood splitter and that type of thing. A little bit of mess is just kind of part of it. So if I ever need to, I can come up here and rake this thing up. Anyways, I'm just kind of rambling on. This pile, there's a lot of wood in here now, and that's box elder they came and dumped on the pile the other day. So it is what it is. It's decent wood, but it will dry fast and everything. It's box elder is what that is. So I'm just kind of working on it as I get some time here, just merrily as we go. Hey, good morning. A nice little bird just flew by there. All right, I'm gonna sign off here and get to do some splitting. Nice talking to you guys. I thought I'd do a little talking since I've been doing a bunch of splitting. Well, I was asking for it right there. I went ahead and split that on camera for YouTube, and I put a little nick in my wedge. I've been trying to be real careful about my wedge, and I did hit it with that damn screw today. So maybe send me a super thanks or a super like, because I'm going to have to spend some time sharpening my wedge now. I can probably take it home and maybe sharpen it, but it did take a nice chip out of it. Let me show you what it did. It took a little bitty chunk out of my wedge. Just right there, you can see. So that would be kind of hard to sharpen because it's going to have to bring the whole edge back into there. That's a nice sharp wedge. That's too bad. I don't know if you can hear me, but that's too bad. My wedge is really sharp, and that's the first thing I ever hit with it. But stuff happens. It is a log splitter, and this is tree service wood, and I did know it was in there, and I just went for it, and I caught a little piece of it. That thing's stronger than you think. When it's moving, it's under a lot of pressure, so it barely hit it, but it only took a second, and it took the edge off that splitter. So anyways, I'm gonna get going back on splitting this stuff up, stack it in my truck, and I'll check in with you guys when I'm done. Well, I was thinking my Dremel might be able to help me out with that log splitter too. I can probably put some type of flapper wheel grinding disc deal on there, and I can probably get it back. It is a log splitter. It's a little bit disappointed. I'm a little disappointed, so send me some likes and some love because I put a nick in my log splitter, please. I'm a little disappointed, but I'll take it home and sharpen it. I'll show you guys the result later. Now, it is sprinkling rain a little bit right now, so I'm going to go ahead and put the camera away. And I hope you can hear me over this motor. I didn't want to turn it off. Now, it's a couple days later, and I did run my Dremel tool over that wedge there. You can see where it's kind of scratched up and shiny a little bit. That's just from that grinding disc. I used several different grinding discs, and I used a round file bit on it. And I just tried to basically take the burrs out of it and the sharp edges, and here's a view from the other side. It's not that bad. I know I'm being kind of a baby, but I love my log splitter, and I've been trying to take care of that wedge, so it is disappointing to take a nice little chunk out of it. I'm sure somebody could sharpen it brand new if I wanted to pay somebody. Alright now everybody, I got this load done, and it's quite a big load. It's ash and maple, some box elder, which is in the maple family. It's a type of maple, but it is mounted up pretty good in my truck there. I got it stacked in rows. Another successful day, really. It's like I said, it is drizzling rain a little bit, and it's a Sunday. I'm ready to get home, so I'm gonna get out of here now, and thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. I don't really have much else to say today. It's a good load of wood. There's some locust in there, a little bit of cherry, ash, and maple, a little variety, but that ash is already real dry. That'll be good burning wood here come February or so, probably even before that, but I'm gonna save this till last to sell that. So anyways, y'all have a good day, and I'll see you next time.